Dale.
Me on the Gmail, I brought my boy with me, so bring another female. Diamonds on my fingers, a couple on my toes. Walked into the party and seen so many. Can you work with that? Can you work with that? Can you work with that?
I can work with that.
Cali to the A, we speeding on the freeway. In the stretch LS, baby, we hood fellas. Can you work with that? Can you work with that? Can you work with that?
I can work with that.
Let me do my job, girl, don't make it easy for me. Tomorrow morning, make my eggs with onions cheesy for me. Come get the keys to the suite up at the Sofitel. It's room 1024, and I'm gonna meet you there. Take a bubble bath, get the robe out the closet, and wait for me. Don't think that I'm afraid.
Yo, what up? This is DJ Quick, and I'm shouting out that I need to hear my shit right now on Accelerated Radio, the 730 Quick Pick. You better pick Quick.
Yeah, you nothing but a skeezer. You know what? I got some other stories to say about you. And it goes like this. Un día estaba en tu casa y ring, there goes the phone. Recogiste y dijiste,
Call me back, I'm not alone.
él quería tu dirección. Yeah, just your address. Y antes que colgaste, I heard you say, Hi, alabao, que descará is what ran through my mind. So I said, let's go out tonight. She said,
We go out all the time.
alabao, man. Ella no sabía de yo. I knew her plan de que iba a salir with that other man. So I told the girl in Spanish, I said, hey, ya me voy, cause you ain't treating me like I'm some sucker toy.
My name is Tony Montana.
I be the mellow man Ace. I'm like mathematical.
The legendary Bato himself, Mellow Man Ace, ladies and gentlemen. Like, what message would you give someone who's trying to do what you're doing today?
You know what? I would have to say, after everything I've learned in the last 28, 29 years in the music business, is make sure that you really want to do this, because once you get to that level where if corporate interest meets creativity, it can get really funky and really ugly. So, you know, make sure that you really want this, because it'll get funky. Yo, what up? This your boy Mellow Man Ace. Enough respect to Keisha Cali, my man Tony Montana. Ya tú sabes, tranquilo todo el mundo. Peace.
Joseph's fast as Carl. He's black, not Jewish. And when he's on stage, he can. And I'm good to. Yes, rock the old leader of the show. Make the lady say, king of my causing much. You dumb shrimp whips, it's you I tame. So to the R, to the O, to the D, and the Y. Now what's that spell? Rock me, that's right.
I am Mr. Ice of the Rappers Rap Group.
I'm Lovin' C from the Rappers Rap Group and MC Frosty Lovin' C.
I'm King MC from the Rappers Rap Group.
When you're trying to do what we're doing today, you got to make sure that you got a message and you bringing it to it. You want everybody to understand, and you want, when they following in your footsteps, they representing in a positive way.
Basically, you just have to give it everything you've got. We've all been given a God-given talent and ability, and we have a responsibility to do the best with what we have.
Believe in yourself. Don't worry about what nobody else say. Just believe in yourself.
We are the
Rappers Rap Group.
Giving a shout out to the Keisha Cali with Tony Montana.
Yay!
Say hello to my little friend.
Montana, baby.
Yeah.
All day, all
What
day.
I'm talking about.
Cheryl Cooley.
Anisha Hines.
Christy Malone, lead vocal. Vashti on bass.
I'm Maggie, I play keys.
And Tramisha Vaughn, drums.
And all of you are...
Never give up. Follow your dream. If that's what you want to do, go for it.
Practice, practice, practice.
No is never an option. I'm an echo practice, because if you ain't, someone else is.
Just keep on up, keep practicing, just like how everybody said, and don't give up.
Oh.
Don't nothing come to sleep but a dream.
Oh, okay.
Hey, this is Climax, sending a shout out to Keisha County and Tony Montana.
This is Grandmaster Lonzo, DJ Clientele. We world-class record crew, y'all. We came to the party, but check this out. We got two y'all in a bit of a dance. Y'all ready for this dance?
Don't be afraid of this vicious heat. It was created to move your feet. I'm so freaky, I'm so loose. Let me up, freak.
I'm Big Dad, LA Posse.
And DJ Clientele, world-class wrecking crew, what's up?
I gotta know, what advice would you give these young bucks that are trying to do what you vatos have been doing all this time?
Advice, man, get a good lawyer. Understand the business that you're in, because it is a business. You dig? And have fun, you know. Keep it real and do what you do.
I would say work hard, learn your craft, and not always look for the easy, quick fix. But you know what? You want to have longevity, and the way to have longevity is to respect others, is to have others respect you, and then also, you know, be professional. Be professional.
Be professional.
Yeah.
We don't need no hood rats over here.
Big shout out to Tisha Cali and Tony Montana, man. What's happening?
All right, it's your boy DJ Clientele. Want to give a big shout out to Keisha Cali and my homie Tony Montana. Yeah.
California, come on, knows how to party. California knows how to party. In William City, no LA. City, put on what? Yeah, come on. In the city of Compton, they'll pop out. Hey, check this out. Pop out, little noise, Cadillac.
Hi.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now, what an honor it is to have you on our show real quick.
Oh, that's my honor that you guys are still in love with Funky Little Beat. It's my honor.
Are you kidding me? Like, I grew up on you. I mean, not literally, but you know what I mean.
I know what you mean. Because people are going to think I'm like really old and I'm really not.
No. Ah!
Well, the music industry has changed tremendously since the 80s. But I would say if it's in your heart and you want to continue performing and it's your passion, go for it. Don't let anybody say anything negative. Oh, you're not good enough. No, you go for it. Because you know what? At the end of the day, you need to make yourself happy. So you do it. This is Connie, and this is a shout out to Tony Montana and Keisha Cali.
Mason.
And Demetri Reeves.
Ezel Jones.
Vaughn Mason and crew. Well, right now it's really hard because there's no vinyl, so people can get things for free. And once you get people on free, it's hard to make them pay 10 cents. So it's really tough. You have to have a live act because that's what stops people. That's what it's all about. You have to have a show, even if you're an individual. I'm pushing Demetri right here. You'll see him tonight. He's going to end up being on stage by himself, but you're going to see what he can do. A split, the moonwalk, floating, spinning, and singing. And that's what it takes, because otherwise you're just another person. There are a million of them. Right.
You got to do that live thing. You got to do that live thing, you know. So.
Okay.
And work on your craft. Just constantly work on it. You know, so.
Nice. Don't listen to your friends. Don't listen to your friends. Don't listen because they'll have you thinking, they'll have you doing some other stuff that's like, what? You know what I mean? When you gotta appeal to the masses, you know, appeal to the masses. Don't just try to appeal to your friends, because your friends will have you down a rabbit hole. You know what I mean? So.
Right.
Hey, this is Vaughn Mason, and I'm putting a shout out to Keisha Cowley and Tony Montana.
Shout out!
This is J.D. Hall. Quitters never win and winners never quit. That's what I say.
Yo!
You got to give it all you got and never give up, because it always will come. It's just right around the corner. Sometimes you might just be that close to it, and then you think, well, I'm not going to do it. Look at me. I'm 100 years old, and I'm still doing it.
More like 25.
Yes, more like 25.
Mr. Biggs, legendary Soul Sonic Force.
Pow wow, legendary Soul Sonic Force.
IKC Soul Sonic Force.
Legends in the building. Yo, I remember growing up and listening to you guys thumping it up real loud so I can impress the girls as I was driving by. You know, I gotta know, what message would you give young, inspiring artists who want to do what you guys been doing?
Most of all is be humble. You know, listen to what people have to say and learn the business. You know, don't get infatuated by the money that they might offer you right then and there. Learn the business and get all the money. Never sell your publishing. Main thing, keep your fucking publishing.
That's what Mr. Biggs is right about that. And also, do your homework. Get your art together, your style together. No cursing, the bitches, the motherfuckers, and all that. It's no good. Take it back to basic. We are hip-hop. We started this thing. Well, not just us, a few more back in the Bronx. We started. We didn't come out with the cursing. It was an escape from the cursing. We wanted to party. We wanted to meet girls, get numbers, have fun, make a little dollars. But, you know, calm down on the little hustling and all that other stuff. This hip-hop's not about that.
Nice.
All I gotta tell them is, your hip hop is your hip hop. Nurture it, let it grow. Don't let it sit in one place. You know, because hip hop never stood still all these years. It always moved up. So let's not let it do this now. Let's let it keep moving up. Let it keep elevating. You know, because that's what it is. Hip hop is young. This is the youngest form of music. So let it keep elevating. Don't let it stand still yet.
We the Soul Sonic Force. Big shout out to Keisha Colley and Tony Montana. What up, what up, what up?
Tony Montana in the building.
In the building.
Keisha, we love you.
Love, rock, live, rock, and don't stop.
Let's go.
Did you get what you needed?
Everything he says is a lie.
I hope you're going to see this and have a good day today. All right.